Hey YouTube, this is Orion making another vid. If you like my content, please consider hitting the like button and also please consider subscribing, as it is very much appreciated. This is my overview of the IronBark Knives Bushcrafter fireworked. The IronBark Knives Bushcrafter is the latest one that I bought from IronBark Knives. It's a custom bushcrafter knife and it completes the set for me. I have two others that I have bought off LC76 or IronBark Knives, and I gave the other two to my teenage sons, and this is the third one that I've bought off him, and this one's mine. And I just wanted to give an overview of the work that LC76 is producing. It's made out of 1084 bar stock. It features a micarta handle with hessian and white cloth with black resin. I'll put the rest of the stats down below. This is just an overview. I'm not going to do a full review of the knife. Just my thoughts on it. I took his lanyard off and replaced it with a simple one. This one's a little bit larger than I normally like, although it is a lot more detailed. As a paracord weaver, I really appreciate the work he's put in it, but it is a little bit longer. I might actually remove this to one too. The knife itself is small enough not to worry about a lanyard. I really don't need a lanyard on it, so I just put that on there. I just wanted to show this knife off. There it is in the hammer grip. Fits my hand really well. That's the blade, spine. Nice reinforced tip. Came quite sharp from his workshop. As you can see, that phone book paper, just a bit hard to do it behind the camera, sorry. Came quite sharp. I was very happy with it. And it features this firework on this, as I mentioned in the description. It's got the firework on the spine, and then he's filled it in with resin. And it goes all the way around, and it's really well done. I'm very happy with that. It's a really nice touch. And if you look on here, you can actually see the hessian inside the handle there. Overall, I'm very impressed with the knife. He's done a really good job with it. Everything's really well done. Extremely happy with it. I'm I'm gonna give it a really good workout over the weekend. I'm coming into the weekend now. I'm gonna give it a good workout over the weekend and see how it cuts. I've done a little bit of testing with it so far, and it's performed really well so far. But I'll give it a good workout over the weekend. But yeah, it's very useful blade shape. Good ergonomic handle. But as I said, yeah, then this one completes the set. So I've got 3 now. So two to my sons, and this one's my one. That's just a little overview of the work that LC76 IronBark Knives is doing. He's definitely a maker that I'm keeping an eye on. And I will be going to get another. I see he's posted that he's got a stamp now, so I'll be getting another pattern. I'll definitely be getting another knife off him at some stage. Down the track a bit. Just showing you around. And that's the sheath that comes with. Good quality leather sheath. Fits the knife really well. Nice dangler on it. Anyway, that's my IronBark Knives Bushcrafter. That completes the set for me. Thanks for watching.